Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this rain cloud watercolor background. And without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is sketch out the shape of your cloud. It can be as big or it can be as small as you want, depending on the shape that you want. I'm using a 2H pencil so that it won't smudge once I use watercolor over it. But you can also use a regular pencil and just use a kneaded eraser or regular eraser over it. And the paper I'm using right now is the Canson 200 GSM watercolor paper. After that, I'm going to lightly erase over it, that way the lines are not visible once I apply the watercolor. It's just an extra step and it's completely optional as well. Next, with a brush, put a layer of water that's within your sketch's outline. I'm currently using a water brush, but you can use also just a regular brush. This is where we get to add some color. Take your watercolor and grab as much pigment as you can with the brush, having enough water. And put the watercolor on the layer of water from earlier. The technique we'll be using is the blooming technique. After letting the first layer dry, we'll go back in with another layer using the same technique. And as you can see, there are some drips here, since I just let the excess water drip in creating this drip rain effect that we want, that we will get in the end result. I did the second layer off camera just to save time, but anyways, after that, we are going to add the drips. With a loaded brush, apply some drips on the bottom of the rain cloud, and then tilt the paper to let it drip. And lastly, for the finishing touch, load your brush with enough pigment and water, and lightly tap on it to let the paint splatter. Side note, you may want to put something underneath to prevent the mess. And we are done! This watercolor background is perfect for anything that you want to put on it, like quotes and drawings, like this little one I made just a while ago. But that is all for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to go ahead, like this video, and if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to the channel. And comment down below what videos you would like to see next, and thank you for watching.